Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to become an investment banker. Basically, we will talk about various kind of roles in an investment bank and what you can do to get yourself a role in an investment bank. So this is one of the most requested videos by our subscribers and our students. So let's get started. Investment banking is an industry which is most sought after by largest number of job seekers across the world. And it's not because Hollywoods and the Bollywoods of the world has made it glamorous. It's because it is an industry where dreams do really come true and in a very short span of time. It is an industry which pays the highest salaries in the world. It is an industry where life is very fast paced. It is an industry where every day is exciting, where your job is going to give you goosebumps. A kind of job that no other industry can give. So let's see some of the key roles in an investment bank. The first one is front office sales. It is the most sought after job by job seekers across the world in an investment bank. It involves meeting with wealthy clients and businesses and convincing them to let your firm manage their money. Think about meeting Sachin Tendulkar or Cristiano Ronaldo or Roger Federer or Leonardo DiCaprio, sitting with them, talking about their finances, investing their money into businesses, real estates, equities, bonds, various asset classes, meeting with them on day to day, talking to them on day to day. So that's possible only if you are part of this front office sales job in an investment bank. No other job in the world will give you this opportunity. Key skills include excellent networking, excellent communication, and good financial market knowledge. So this is more of a sales job than a finance job. You can think of it that way. Only thing is you are selling a financial product. So you need to have a good financial markets knowledge also. You may not need to know VAR modeling or statistics, for example. But what you need is a very strong sales and marketing skills. How to prepare for such a job? Typically, you start small. On day one, you will not get jobs into JP Morgans of the world or Morgan Stanleys of the world. Even if you do, they won't let you access their wealthiest of the clients, basically the celebrities that they manage. That will go only to the topmost investment bankers. So, idea is to start small and grow quickly. If you are not able to get a investment banker front office sales job in a small investment firm, then get a sales job. Along with that, get a finance certificate like MBA in finance or a CFA or FRM. The another way is basically to go through MBA colleges, and you have to go through the topmost MBA colleges of the world. So if you are in India, you need to be in top 3 MBA colleges, which is IMA, IMB and IMC. No other colleges will do, because these IB sales is very critical. They are putting you in directly in front of their money making machines, which is their wealthiest of the clients. So they want the best. They want best of the best. Okay. So on the left side, you see a poster of a movie called as Wolf of Wall Street. If you want to really know more about front office sales, go and watch this movie. This is really going to give you an insight on what exactly a front office sales role in IB world is. Again, you have to bring it down to real life. Movies has a lot of fiction added to the story so that it becomes more attractive and more sellable. So remove that larger than life part and scale it down to a normal life, but then that's what you are actually going to do when you are in front office sales. The another most sought after job in investment bank is of traders. They earn profit for the firm by buying and selling securities, that is equities, bonds, currencies, derivatives. Key skills include very quick thinking, ability to read news 24/7, 365 days, and finding the financial aspects of any news. Let me give you an example. For example, there is a news which says there is massive flooding in Sri Lanka. So a common people will read that news. They will say, okay, lot of people will get impacted, houses will get collapsed, people will get difficulty in living their life. But that's not what is expected of a trader. Trader is expected to know that Sri Lanka is the largest producer of tea. So tea prices are going to shoot up, and entire demand of tea will be met by the remaining producers of tea. For example, India is the second largest producer of tea. Then what you do is you go and buy shares of tea producing companies in India. Other thing you may want to do is go into commodities market and buy futures of tea. So this is basically what trader is expected to do. How to prepare for becoming a trader? Again, this job needs lot of financial understanding. So get a finance certificates like CFA or FRM, getting an MBA from a topmost college in your country, and then again start small. Idea is again start small, look for small investment firms. So on the left you will see a poster of a documentary from BBC which is called as $1 Million Trader. If you really want to understand life of a trader, a day-to-day life of a trader, do watch out this 3-episode series. It will give you a very good insight on what a trading job looks like. Next role is of risk managers. That's basically what I do in an investment bank. Our job is to ensure firms don't make losses due to its nature of business. So by nature, banks are very risky. For example, we give loans, people may not give back loans. We do trading, but then it's not necessary every time trade will go right and we will make money. Losses do happen, and they do happen a lot of times. We might have invested in a corporate, we might have raised money for a corporate, but then that corporate might get bankrupt. Then what do we do? So our job is basically to ensure whether the FX movements or the currency movements or the interest rate movements, whatever happens, the bank do not lose money. And in case bank loses money, we have sufficient capital to cover for that loss. Key skills needed for this kind of job is mathematics, statistics, number crunching, basically very good understanding of finance. How to prepare for this job? Getting a financial certificate like FRM or a CFA is must. In fact, FRM is a certificate which entirely is made for these categories of job. Again, MBA helps, especially if it is from the topmost colleges in your countries. Some other jobs in investment banking, business analysts. So their job is to do research based on data, and they need to be good with data and systems. So if a bank is willing to launch a new product, their job may involve finding the customer base, the target audience for that particular product. Then there is product control, whose job is basically around regulatory reporting management, whether bank is good on their financial ratios and whether the regulatory statements etc. are getting generated on time. Then is the technology, ensuring up-to-date systems for data management, trading, reporting and risk management. So their job is to keep entire IT infrastructure of bank intact. Legal department, which include lawyers, their job is to ensure bank is in compliance with regulations of the land. These are some of the real life big shot investment bankers, and I would seriously recommend you to read about their life, how they started with an investment bank, and of course now these are entrepreneurs and they have established their companies, and these companies have gone really big, but all of these have started as an investment bankers. So the world biggest investment bankers are basically the Warren Buffett and the George Soros of the world. And back home, if we see, Ramdev Agarwal and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala are some of the most popular name. And I personally is a very big fan of Ramdev Agarwal. I would seriously recommend you to read more about, because I think he's the person who has done investment banking and done it in absolutely ethical way, and he has reached to the #1 position. So that's why his story impresses me a lot. So I hope this video has given you some insight on what kind of roles you can expect in an investment bank and what you can do to be an investment banker. So with that, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video, please do recommend us by pressing the like, share and comment button.